We have a quotient here in number 7. We've got a numerator and a denominator. Let's use the quotient rule. So I'm going to write a template, as I always do. F prime is equal to the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom all over the bottom squared. Let's see where that takes us. So f prime of x will equal, okay, now this will be the bottom, the x minus 1. So quantity, capture all of it, x minus 1 times the derivative of the top. Now, bring the 5 down as a multiplier. That's a 15. Decrease it by 1, right? So 15x to the 4th is a constant. So we just get a 0 here for that derivative. So 15x to the 4th. See if I can get it to right. There we go. So here's the bottom times the derivative of the top minus, right, there's that minus sign right there, minus the top, which is the quantity, 3x to the 5th minus 5, times the derivative of the bottom. Now, that's just a linear. We have an x, and the derivative of just x we know is 1. All over the bottom squared, x minus 1 squared. So there's the calculus part. Now we'll just simplify it using some algebra. So let's multiply through here. We'll get f prime of x equals, all right, multiply through, 15x. This is x to the 4th. What is that? X to the 4th. Let's try it again here. So 15x to the 4th times x will give us 15x to the 5th. 15x to the 5th minus, and then times the 1, 15x to the 4th. And then over here, take that negative 1 through, minus 3x to the 5th plus 5 all over the x minus 1 squared. Now, what have we got here? That 15x to the 5th minus 3 of them, we can combine those. So this will give us that f prime of x equals, all right, 15x to the 5th minus 3 of them is 12 over those x to the 5th. And then we've got minus 15x to the 4th. And then we've got that plus 5 out there at the right, all over that x minus 1 squared. And if I've got everything here, I'm going to claim now that that is our derivative.